RoleHeller is a world-class LED display manufacturer, which is belonged to Xinglu Technology Hebei Company Limited. We specialize in quality, high-tech, and fine pixel pitch displays for various applications, including shopping malls, live event production services, airports, hospitals, retail, or any other specific situations you need. Help you to bring the digital to life. Our product range includes, but is not limited to, indoor and outdoor full-color LED displays, transparent displays, rental displays, LED poster screen, LED special-shaped screen display, flexible displays, scrolling message display board, LED variable messaging signs, VMS, LED traffic signs, etc. As a privately held and self-funded company, RoleHeller has a long and stable history for almost 10 years and has been supplying LED displays for more than 157 countries and regions all over the world. Our products have won a lot of awards and have excelled in all kinds of challenging environments. We prioritize customer needs by offering professional customized display solutions, helping clients achieve optimal visual effects in various environments. Our team is made up of 150 high-educated professionals who are always keep up with the latest technologies and always ready to offer comprehensive services from product selection, project planning, installation, and commissioning to after-sales maintenance. We emphasize establishing long-term partnerships with clients, continuously improving and innovating to provide products and services that exceed expectations.